The Soundcore Life Q30 headphones excel in noise cancellation, utilizing dual microphones to filter out up to 95% of low-frequency ambient sounds. These headphones offer 3 customizable noise cancellation modes, making them versatile for various environments such as airplanes, busy offices, or outdoor settings. With high-res audio, the 40mm drivers in the Soundcore Life Q30 deliver exceptional sound quality, featuring thumping bass and crisp treble that extends up to 40 kilohertz. The impressive battery life allows you to enjoy up to 40 hours of music in noise-canceling mode and up to 60 hours in standard mode, with a quick 5-minute charge providing 4 hours of listening time. Designed for comfort, the Soundcore Life Q30 features ultra-soft protein leather ear cups with memory foam padding, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit for extended listening sessions. The lightweight build and multi-point connection capability make these headphones a convenient and user-friendly choice for anyone seeking high-quality audio and comfort.